Jesus, I can take it. With him, I know I can stand. No matter what.
Hey y'all, good morning. So this is day 3 of 2024. Get ready to bathe, wash my face, take my hair down, get ready for today. Let's get it going. Switch my bonnets now. I could retire my original bonnet, girl. Don't get me wrong, she's still gonna be around, okay? I'm not gonna neglect you, but for a little while we're gonna put you to rest, mama. Okay, put you to rest.
Unlocks the 5 little-known truths we believe baby boomers and seniors should know before buying in a new.
NYC with more on this. Hey, Trevor, good morning to you. Hey there, Dan and Kat. Going to highlight what they're calling a humanitarian.
So what I'm gonna be using to prime my face is the One Size. I'm gonna be using this. Going with the Milk Cosmetic Hydro Grip. I'm gonna spray my face with the setting spray, the Hydro Grip spray, before I do my makeup. The foundation right here, I'm in the color 5W. I don't really go too hard for like a flawless face these days. Like, I really be content just to look like something. Dior concealer in the color 4W. Thank you, Lord, for waking me up this morning. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for showing me who's for me. Thank you for revealing what I should have knew from the mother freaking beginning of time. Like, the Lord be coming through, yo, clutch. Is anybody a dreamer? Like, you have dreams and like they come true? Like, I'm telling you, it'd be crazy the way I be dreaming. Maybelline Medium Deep Fit Me Powder. Bronzer from Too Faced in the color Caramel Cocoa. Dior blush in the color Rosy Glow. Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette. We're going with the color bronze. So this is what it's giving. Okay. That's what it's giving. I hate that this right here. I need to go speak to the housing specialist, see what's going on with my apartment when I'm moving on and what's, well, not moving on, when I'm moving in and what's tea. So let me, should I just put this clothes away right quick or what? What should I do? What should I do? All right, so we got one suitcase in. Now I gotta do my suitcase, but I think I'm gonna do that later on when I come back. I already know y'all want a tour of the room, the bathroom. That's what it's giving. The the windows, but it's closed. Got the boys' bed. You got my bed. Drawer broke. And yeah, that's it. Got a mirror right there. Housing specialist is not even in the building today. They said he's gonna be here tomorrow. I left like something in my door to leave it open. So I don't have to have a security guard. Oh, can you open the door for me? All right, so now I'm about to take my stuff off. I gotta get my jacket, so let me get that. Sure am. Yeah.